On my way to work this morning, some jackass in a frickin' Dodge Ram. I'm trying to not be so angry. This really irritates me. Went flying around me, and he had a box in the back of his truck, and it flew out. He went flying around me, and then he rushed off the highway, and I don't think he ran because something flew out of the back of his truck. I think he was just in general an asshole. Anyways, you see all of these scrapes? And then this whole windshield wiper was like bent up. It bent the whole arm. I had to just straighten that out. I already ordered a new one because since it bent once, it's never going to be good again. But yeah, you can see the scratches starting here all the way up the hood. So what I'm going to try and do is hand polish that out because this is Brandy's 4Runner and I was driving it, and so it's my responsibility to take care of it. Very frustrating that it happened, but it did, so I have to fix it. So let's look through our cabinet of crap and see if we can come up with something to make it better. Okay, this is after. I did spend quite a bit of time by hand and I made it better, but it's not gone. You could still see right there. But that looks 10 times better. You have to look for it to find it now. To get it so that it completely disappears, I need to use a hand polisher, and I don't remember where I put that. So that might be a project for another day because it's already 6:20. I need to go inside and spend some time with Boo Boo and eat dinner and go to bed and go to work and all those things. Anyways, it looks way better. This does have a clear bra on it. So the clear bra, you kind of can't polish it. So you can really see it kind of there. But I got up here good. So you can't see it up there unless you're really looking for it. And then you can't see it up there. Well, I mean, if you really try, you could find it. See those lines? Anyways, I tried to scrub up the window too. This thing's got a lot of pitting in it. So that's all pitting from like rock chips and stuff, but tried to clean that up inside and outside, and I feel bad that every time I drive this thing, something happens to it. This was me. That was me. Another one on the other freaking side was me. Every freaking time I drive it. Oh my God. Anyways, have a good day.